Okay, see question number 61 to 65. The following line chart represents the speed of the current and boat for weekdays except Sunday for a person going to various places after traveling partially in river and partially on land. The table shows the places he visited on weekdays and speed for crossing the river on return journey. Assume the speed for crossing the river on return journey is downstream. So here this is related to boats on stream problem. So here we will be having boat speed and stream speed. Downstream speed means boat plus stream. Upstream speed means boat minus stream. And here the return journey you should take it as the downstream speed. So if the return journey is the downstream, then the ongoing journey will be the upstream. Return journey is the downstream, ongoing journey is the upstream. Now let us see the given table, I mean bar diagram and also the table. So what is given in the bar diagram? We are having the speed of the boat, also speed of the current on different days starting from Monday. Monday speed of the boat, this is 5.5, this will be 4.5. Similarly Tuesday 10 and 4. This is 6 and 3. Now this is 8 and 5. This will be 6 as well as 4. This will be 9 and 3. See, on Monday, boat speed is 5.5 and the current speed is 4.5. So we can draw one table. It will be very easy for you. So first one is day. Next one is boat speed, stream speed, or else we can directly take upstream and downstream. Boat, stream, downstream and upstream. So we are drawing one table like this: day, boat, stream, downstream and upstream. So below the days, you write down the days from Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These are the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now, let us take the values. For Monday, 5.5, 4.5. Downstream is 10, upstream is 1. Tuesday, 10 and 4. Downstream is 14, upstream 6. Wednesday, 6, 3. Downstream is 9, upstream 3. Thursday, 8 and 5. Downstream 13, upstream 3. Friday, 6, 4. Downstream 10, upstream 2. 9, 3. Downstream 12, upstream 6. Now, these are the boat speed, stream speed, downstream and also upstream. Now, coming to the table, this is the different places in Delhi, Meena Bazaar. The total distance from the person place is 50. By boat is covering 30. That means on land he will be covering 20. Bara, the total distance is 100. By boat he is covering 75. On land he is covering 25. So like that we have to take the values. Now let us see the first question. If the person is visiting Meena Bazaar and Secretariat on Monday and Wednesday respectively, the time taken he crosses the river on both ways on Wednesday is how many times the time taken to cross the river on return journey on Monday. Now let us take Monday. The place is Meena Bazaar. Monday Meena Bazaar and Secretariat is on Wednesday. Monday Meena Bazaar. Meena Bazaar, what is the total distance? Meena Bazaar total distance is 50. By boat is covering 30. By boat he is covering 30 kilometers. Return journey. So return journey means downstream. On Monday. Monday downstream is 10. Monday downstream is 10. That means he is taking 3 hours. That is Meena Bazaar. Now Secretariat on Wednesday both ways. Secretariat is on Wednesday. So Secretariat total distance 130. By boat is covering 81. Both ways means both downstream and upstream. Wednesday, what is downstream? 9. So 81 divided by 9. We have to calculate time, distance by speed, and 81 divided by 3. That will give 9 ones, 9 nines, 3 ones, 327. We will get 36. Now the question is 36 is how many times of 3? It is how many times? 12 times. 12 times is the correct answer. Option 1. Let us see the next question. Let us see the next question. What is the difference between total time taken by the person while visiting and returning from Bara Imambara on Monday and visiting Ganeshwar Park on Friday? Now, first of all, let us take Bara Imambara, the place on Monday. Bara Imambara 100. By boat is covering 75. Land area is covered by bus at the rate of 40 km per hour. So first Bara Imambara. Let us take 75. Visiting as well as returning. So 75. Visiting means upstream. Visiting means upstream. Monday upstream. So what is the Monday upstream value? 1. Monday upstream value is 1. Upstream speed 1. Now downstream. Downstream is 10. So total we will get 82.5 hours. That is Bara Imambara time. Now let us take visiting Ganeshwar Park on Friday. And what is given? Land area. We have to take land area also. Land area is covered by bus at the rate of 40 km per hour. So out of 100 is covering 75 by boat. That means land area will be 25 kilometers. What is the speed of the bus? 40. So distance by speed gives the time. Since it is both visiting and returning, I am taking into 2. Why we are taking into 2? It is both visiting and also returning. Now 5 fives, 5 eights, 2 ones, 2 4. We will get 1.25. So totally it is 82.5 plus 1.25. It is 83.75 hours. Now Ganeshwar Park on Friday, that is only visiting. Only visiting means you have to take upstream. So what is Ganeshwar Park distance by boat? 80. That is on which day? Friday. Friday visiting means upstream. Upstream is how much? So Friday upstream is 2. Friday upstream is 2. So 80 by 2. 80 by 2, that is 40. Remaining out of 85, 80 is covered by boat. Remaining 5 kilometers by bus. Land area is 5 kilometers. Speed is 40. Here I am not taking into 2. Why? Because it is only visiting. There is no returning. That is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is nothing but 0.125. So this is 40.125. Now the question is, what is the total difference? So we have to find the difference between 83.75 minus 40.125. 5, 2, then 7 minus 1, 6. 43.625. 3 is the correct answer. Next. On which day the variation in the speed of the boat is maximum when compared to the previous day? Now this is the question. On which day the speed of the boat is maximum? So speed of variation in the speed of the boat is maximum. It is clearly Tuesday. See, let us see Tuesday. It is 10. Previously boat speed is 5.5. It is increased by 4.5. So it is the highest increase which we cannot observe on any day. So clearly the answer is Tuesday. Option 1. Next question. What is the ratio of the time spent on the boat while going to Secretariat and Meena Bazaar? Since the day is not mentioned, only places are mentioned, we don't know whether it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can't find the answer. Cannot be determined. Next question. Distance covered on land while going to Ganeshwar Park is what percent of the distance covered on land while going to Secretariat? Ganeshwar Park Out of 85, 8 is covered by boat. By land, it is 5. It is what percent of land secretariat? Secretariat out of 130, 81 by boat. So land will be 49. The question is 5 by 49 into 100. That is 500 by 49. Divide 500 with 49. 49 tens, 490, 10 remainder. So the answer is 10, 10 by 49. 2 is the correct answer. Next. Study the following graph carefully to answer the given questions. So here there is one bar graph. You have to answer the questions based on the bar graph. There are 5 colleges are there, college A, B, C, D and also E. There are 3 departments, mechanical, electrical and civil. So first of all, we will draw one 4-column table. First one is college. Next one is mechanical, electrical, civil and total. See, college, mechanical, electrical, civil and total. So below the colleges, you write down the names of the colleges as A, B, C, D and also E. And let us take the total. This is the total. Now, first of all, each single line, we are having in between some lines. See, first line, second line, third line. 25, 50, 75, 100. So, each line is equal to 25 units. Now, we will write down the values first. College A, mechanical, exactly 300. The next one is 350. The next one, that is civil, that is 275. 275. Next B. What is the first one? 325. What about the second one? 375. The next one is 300. Next C. The first one is 400. Second one is 375. Third one is 250. D. First one, it is 350. Second one, it is 450. This is 450. Next one, exactly 500. Next, college E. The first one is 425. The next one is how much? 325. The next one is 450. Let us do the totals also. We have to do the totals. See, 350 plus 250, 600, 900, 925. This is 925. 375 plus 325 is 700,000. Then 350 plus 250, 600, 600 plus 400, 1000, 1025. This is 800, 1300. This is 750. 750 plus 450, 1200. Let us do vertical totals also. 5 plus 5, 10. 2 plus 1, 3, 8. Again 10. 4 plus 1, 5, 8, 12, 15, 18. Next, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 15, 22, 27. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 12, 15, 18. Next, again 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. 4 plus 1, 5, 10, 12, 15, 17. 1775. Now, let us move to the questions. The ratio of the male and female students in electrical discipline from B is 16 is to 9. B electrical is how much? 375. 375. In this, male and female are 16 is to 9 and professors of the same college are 100 by 9% means 1 by 9 of total female. So, we have to take female. It is 9 by 25. In this, professors are 100 by 9%. 100 by 9% means 1 by 9. 9, 9 cancel, 25 ones, 25 5. So, how many professors are there in the college now? 15 professors. Option is 2. Option is 2. See the next question. Let us see the next one. If the number of male students in civil branch from D and male in mechanical branch from A are equal, what is the percentage of female students in mechanical branch from A? Now, if the number of male students given the ratio of male and female of civil branch in D is 13 is 12. D civil we are having 500. In this there are male and female in the ratio of 13 is to 12. 13 plus 12 25. So this is 260. This is 240. Then the male students of civil in branch and male students in mechanical branch of A. A mechanical we are having 300. In this there are male and female. So males are 260, females will be 40. Now what is the percentage of female students in mechanical branch? 40 by 300 into 100. So we will get 13 1 by 3. The answer is 13 1 by 3. So option is 3. Let us see the next question. If the 20% of the civil students from E are transferred to civil branch of C. So civil students of E is 450. Civil students of E 450. In this 20% means 90. They are getting transferred to civil branch of C. C civil, already we are having 250. Now these 90 members are coming to 340. Now find the ratio of civil students of C, that is 340 is to total students of E. Actually total students of E is 1200. Since 90 members are transferred, it is 1110. If you cancel 0, the answer is 34 is to 111 or 34 by 111. So option is 1. Let us see the next question, 69 question. The average students of electrical branch from all the colleges is what percent more or less than average of civil? The average of electrical we are having totally 1875. Civil we are having 1775. Let us do with 25. 25 sevens 175, 25 fives. This one also 25 sevens 175. Now the question is 75 is how much less or more than 71? It is more, 4. From where? 71 into 100. So divide 400 with 71. We will get 71 fives 355, 450. Then we will get approximately 5.6 or equal to 6. Then next question. If 20% of the students of D are failed in the yearly exam, D total students are 1300. In this 20% are failed. That means how many are pass? 80% pass. 5 2s 10, 5 6. So we will get 1040. How many pass are there? 1040 pass. Then 75% of the total students of E are passed. E total students are 1200. Pass value is 75. 75 means 3 by 4. That will give 900. Pass. This is from D. This is from E. Next, in 2017, if 400 more students are enrolled, then find the total students of D and E together. So 1040 pass, then 900 pass. Along with that, 400 new entries are there. 400 new entries. So what is the total? 0, 4, 13, 2. So the answer is 2340. Total how many students are there? 2340. Option is 1. Next question, 71 to 75. Study the following graph to answer the given question. The following graph shows the total number of students in 7 different institutes in 2012. So here also we are having the clear values, but also if you draw one table, it will be very easy. First one is the institute. Next one, the bottommost one, that is IT, middle one is mechanical, topmost one is electronics. So first it is IT. First it is IT. After IT, mechanical, then electronics, then we can take the total. The institute, IT, mechanical, electronics, and total. So below the institutes, you write down P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V. Okay, write down the values first. P, 340, 280, 220. Then 300, 360, 240. Then 260, 200, 320. Then 340, 260, 140, 190, 320, 280, 260, 320, 150, 220, 370, 280. Now let us do the totals. Let us do the totals. 500 plus 340, 840. This is 600 plus 300, 900. This is 26 plus 20, 46. 46 plus 32, 78, 780. This is 600 plus 140, 740. This is 600 plus 190, 790. This is 26 plus 32 is 58. 58 plus 15, 730. 220 plus 280, 500, 870. Then let us do the totals. 0. Next, 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 27, 31. Then 3 is the carryover. 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 8, 11, 13, 16, 19. 1910. This is IT. Now, if you see the mechanical, 0. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11, 17, 23, 31. 3 is the carryover. 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, 16, 19, 21. Then 0. 8 plus 5, 13, 21, 25, 27, 31, 33. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14, 16. 1630. Electrical is 1630. Now let us move to the questions. First one. If the number of mechanical students in each institute is increased by 20% and number of electronics is in each institute is decreased by 20%, then the total number of students with mechanical in 2013 is approximately increased by what when compared to 2013. Now, mechanical total is 2110. Mechanical total 2110. It is increased by 20%. So 10% is 211, 20% means 422 increase. So 2110 plus 422, that will give 2532. Now this is the mechanical. Then electronics. Electronics total already 1630, that is decreased by 20%. 10% is 163, 20% is 326 decrease. So 1630 minus 326, 4 0 1304. It is 1304. Now the question is, the total number of mechanical is what percent of electronics? So 2532 by 1300. Let us take approximately 1300 into 100. So 00 and 00 cancel. I am dividing 2532 with 2532. I am dividing with 13. With 13. 13 ones 13, 123, 13 nines 117, 62, 194. Approximately 194 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question, 72 question. Next one. If the number of the students in Institute PQR with IT is increased by 15, 22 and 10% from 2012 to 13, what is the number of students with IT? Now PIT value 340, QIT that is 300, RIT that is 260. Now it is increased by 15%. This is increased by 22%. This is increased by 10%. So 15% increase means in 340, 10% is 34, 5% is 17. Total 51 increase. So that will become 391. 300 into 22 by 100, 66. So it will become 366. Out of 260, 10% is 26. So it will become 286. Now what is the total? 13, 15, 24, 10. 1043. 1043 is the correct answer. Next question. If out of the total students in Institute Q, the number of students liking music, painting and cricket are in the ratio of 5 is to 6 is there. What is the number of students liking music? Q total. So Q total is 900. Q total is 900. In this there are three departments: music, painting, cricket. In the ratio of 5 is to 6 is to 7. We want music. Music is 5 parts. Total is 18 parts into 900. That will give 250 as the correct answer. Option 1. Next question. What is the total number of students in Institute R and V respectively? R total is 780, whereas V total is 870. The ratio is 78 is to 87. Option 2. See the next question, 75. What is the total number of the students, difference between total number of students with IT from all institutes together and mechanical from all institutes? IT total. If you see IT total, that is 1910. Mechanical total 2110. So difference. What is the difference? 200. Option 4 is the correct answer. So tomorrow we will discuss, in the next class we will discuss the remaining problems.